Hey, Colmenero Construction. This is Brant with Mallard Digital Marketing, and we were in contact, and you said that you would like to have a screencast sent over. That's what we call these videos, where we show you a few of the things that we can do to help you out and to boost your business and to increase the amount of customers you get and also your online presence on Google. So to start things off, a website is key to doing what we do, and you have a website, which is good. There's a few things about websites that I'm going to teach you that would require us to upgrade your website. First off, I'd like to say I do like the focus on family-owned business, as I think it's respectable and it's a good thing to advertise. Mallard Marketing is actually a family-run business as well, so we definitely connect with that. And so to start things off, there's many things we can do to help you. But the thing I'm going to focus on today starts with Google. And so as you probably know, Google's like the most popular search engine. And when people search you up, I think the percentage is 72% of people will search on Google to find the services that they require. And, I actually went back to Plano, Texas. Here we go, back to Corpus Christi. Okay, so as you can see here, we have, to start things off, we're not worried about Google Maps right now. That is something that we can do. There is, this general area. And the first things that come up are sites like Yelp and Better Business Bureau, which mention other sites and give you suggestions of the best ones in the area. It's basically like a popularity ranking by Google. And so obviously those are going to rank at the top, but the soonest businesses that come up as your number one competition, because you want to show up here, because then that'll also push you to the top in these other mentioned sites. And we have TLC Construction and General Contracting and Remodeling in Corpus Christi. And as you can see, as I was telling you earlier, website is everything. And their website, it's a decent website. There's a certain amount of keywords which is required in order to be optimized by Google. You want to have 1,500 words on the main page, and not just 1,500 words of nonsense, obviously, but you want certain keywords which will help you appear higher up on Google when someone is searching for the services that you offer, and we'll touch on that in a minute. So as you can see here, they are your biggest competitor, but they don't even have 1,500 words on their page, which means if we could upgrade that to your page, then it'd be really easy for us to bypass them and to rank you higher. And also an important thing with website is design and that physical appeal and the more professional it looks. And this website is nice, and they have a nice picture of their team, but I don't think it looks extremely professional, and that's something that we like to do, is make our sites look like they're to reflect the business, like they know what they're doing. And this is the other one that was your biggest competition, which is General Contracting and Remodeling in Corpus Christi. And here we can see that they have, it looks like they've reached that 500 words, 1,500 words. They know what it is to do. And so that's something that is benefiting them. And so we'll want to match that and exceed it as well. And so these keywords that I was talking about are phrases and terms that are within your site that cause you to link back to it. And so I'm going to show you how that works with a tool that I have called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs is a tool that honestly shows you the statistics from a website, and it can't be manipulated. So we're able to see the true numbers of not only your business, but your competitors, so we can accurately compare. And so first we're going to start with your competitors. This is your business right here. We'll start with this one. And as you can see, they have backlinks, and backlinks are when another site links back to your site, which basically is like a popularity vote almost. And they have 91 mentions. So those would be the sites like Yelp, and that's pretty good. And they have 43 keywords, which when people search, like contractors and Corpus Christi or remodeling or construction, they have those phrases within their website, and so that's going to link back to them, and so they're going to appear first and get that business. As you can also see here, which is traffic, they get about 22 visits a month on average. And so your other competition, they have 104 keywords and they have over 69 visits a month, which is really good. Obviously, most of those people, I don't know the exact percentage, would want to reach out to their services if they like what they see. And as you can see here, they also have 41 backlinks. So again, they're mentioned on 41 different occasions where people can find them through other sites. And then with your business, you only have one backlink. So you're only mentioned on one other site. And keywords, they have one keyword. And on average, we have 0 visits a month, which isn't good for your business. And while local word of mouth is good, if you can increase that with Google, the amount of popularity and the amount of people that can come across your business, then that can help you get customers and to be able to get more business and reach other goals in life that you wouldn't have been able to achieve without increasing the amount of business, being able to hire more people. You know, it's important with a business to be able to have it at manageable levels. And so if you had a website, you could always have work backed up. You would be seen and people would want to reach out to you and get your services, and you would have enough work, is what I'm trying to say. I got a little tongue-tied there. But yeah, so these are just a couple of things that we can do. And we've done it for other customers before, and we've already seen fantastic results. The SEO and the website build, they are extremely helpful, and everyone that we've helped out has been extremely satisfied because they have seen the difference that it's made on their business and also on their lives as a whole. They're able to get more business and have more time to be with their family. They can hire more people sometimes, and if that's not one of your goals, that's no issue. But if this is something that you want to consider or talk to us more about, you can reach out to us at this number. You can ask for Brant or Claudia at 910-725-8405. And again, like, these are things that can help you out. And if you would like to learn more about it, you can give us a call and we can talk about it. We can talk about some other services that we offer. And this consultation is free. It doesn't cost to talk about it and see if this is what's best for you.